Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fantastic feature that enhances your browsing experience on Google Chrome, Live Caption. This tool automatically generates captions for any audio or video content you play in your browser, making it easier for everyone to engage with media. Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Next, click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and find the Accessibility section. Click on it to expand the options available. This section is specifically designed to help users with different accessibility needs. In Accessibility, look for the option labeled Live Caption. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on this switch to enable Live Caption. Once activated, Chrome will begin downloading the necessary speech recognition files, which may take a moment. After enabling Live Caption, you're all set. Whenever you play a video or audio file in Chrome, captions will automatically appear at the bottom of your screen. You can even customize how these captions look by adjusting settings like font size and background color, if you wish. To summarize, here are the steps once more. 1. Open your Chrome browser. 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Accessibility. Enable Live Caption by toggling it on. With these simple steps, you can enjoy real-time captions for all your media in Google Chrome. This feature not only aids those who are hard of hearing, but also helps when you're in a noisy environment or simply want to follow along without sound. Enjoy your enhanced viewing experience.